My name is Yunus and I'm from Indonesia, and this time I'm going to give you my experience in cooking one of a very simple dishes from Indonesia, and it is a clear katuk soup. Katuk leaves are special leaves that grows in Indonesia and probably in Southeast Asian countries. And if you are a mother or a woman who is breastfeeding your kid, Katuk leaves is good for you to increase your breast milk production. So if you want to know how Katuk leaves look like, here it is. So this is Katuk leaves. Yeah, in Indonesia you can find it quite easily everywhere because it grows in tropical countries like Indonesia, but I'm not really sure if it grows too in other countries other than Southeast Asian. So that was Katuk leaves, and for today's cooking you need a chili. I'm just using one chili for this clear soup, and then red onion, Indonesian red onion or Asian red onions, the small ones, and garlic. And we also going to use some salt, a little bit salt, and also sugar to elevate the taste. Okay, so the first time we are going to clean this katuk leaves first. We're just going to clean it for a little bit. Just clean katuk leaves with flowing water. Okay, there we go. And you chop the chili, the onion, and garlic. Ta-da! This is the pan that I'm going to use for making this katuk clear soup. And we also need 150 milliliter to 250 milliliter, depend on how much water you need in your clear soup. Put the water into the pan and light on your cooker or stove. And just put everything that you have chopped, chili, onion, and garlic, in the water, and just leave the water until it boils. Should not very long, until it boils, and you can get the katuk leaves ready here. Prepare some salt and sugar, just a little bit. Put the salt just a little bit, not too many. You don't want to get the blood pressure problem after you eat this food, of course. And also sugar, also just a little bit. This is a very simple dish, so yeah, you basically just need salt, only need salt and sugar. So you can see the water is starting to boil, and it means that we are ready to put in the leaves into the boiling water. just let it sit there. It will only take 5 minutes to finish this Katuk clear soup cooking, so it should be in just another half a minute again. So when it's ready, I will turn off the stove or the gas cooker, and tada, it's ready to serve. So it's already 5 minutes, and don't forget to taste. Yum, very nice. So we can turn off the gas cooker, and it's ready to be served. Prepare your bowl, and you will put the katuk leaves inside the bowl. Tada! Katuk leaf soup is ready to be served. Let's just taste it. Yeah, it tastes nice. If you like more salty, you can put another pinch of salt, and if you like more water into the soup, you can add more water, probably until 200 milliliter. Me personally, I don't like too much water in my soup, because I need to enjoy the vegetable or the katuk leaf itself. So this is Katuk Leaf, and once again, my name is Yunus from Indonesia. Thanks for watching, and see you.